Okay, good morning, everyone. I think we are live potentially. We're a little bit early today, but that's fine. We'll start it anyway, so it is what it is.
Oh, yeah, have you seen my screenshots?
Sorry, 2 seconds. I'm just changing this.
That's right.
I just need to change the thumbnail.
Right, one watching now. Am I the only one?
Yep, make sure you smash that like button for me, broski. Right, let me get the thumbnail. Made new thumbnails. One for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
I thought my message will pop up.
What message? Oh, what's going on with my laptop today? I mean, my Mac.
I mean, I put one on YouTube just to test out. I thought it usually pops up on the screen, or you have to click on it, I guess. Don't I?
Morning.
There you go.
Morning.
It's weird talking to myself there.
They can pop up by themselves if I use another streaming platform.
Mm-hmm. Right, I'll go close the PayPal page.
Thank you. So it works basically.
Well, gone up to the part that I've clicked on agree and subscribe, but that's before you want me to click on it, isn't it?
Do you want to try and then I'll refund you and cancel you?
Yeah, I can. So I click on this. You pay subscription. So starting date is today. Okay, I'll screenshot receipt to you.
Oh, it worked. Did it work?
Can you see
it works. Jesus. Yeah, that was quick. Right, let me cancel it. Yeah, that's fine then it works.
So are they having issues?
Yeah, it's them then.
We'll send you that anyway.
Thank you. Yeah, I got the email come through.
Oh, okay. Let me check my phone. Okay. So I'm gonna cancel it now. Wait, you send me back the money.
You want me to cancel it or are you going to cancel it?
I think I can cancel it myself, right? I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine.
It depends. If you're on the page, then I don't have to go through 2FA thing again.
Yeah, let me first refund you.
Okay. I'll log in anyway. I'm gonna see what else I got on the subscriptions. Sometimes I forgot.
Oh, motherfucker. Right, let me cancel it and then I'll refund you in 3 days.
Okay.
Let me fucking refund you right now.
Right.
Oh, I know why. It's because it's in dollars. Oh, wait, has it refunded you?
It's in dollar right now. Indeed.
Oh, mofo. Okay, you should have got an email. Cancelled.
Yeah. Okay, cancellation. Yep, cancellation received.
Sweet. Well, I'll refund you in 2-3 days. All right. Let me just put a note in now. I'm just giving myself more shit to do.
Well, at least now you confirm that it's working. That's the main thing.
Yeah, that's true. That's what I needed. There you go. There's your best friend, the one that said he said that did say makes us say morning, Brendan. Morning, Brendan.
See, he started it. Oh, okay.
Right, let's see if I can figure out this moving average. So there's actually quite a few moving averages that you can have as a color change indicator.
Mhm.
I want to change this 100, I guess, to be green and red. It must be easy.
So you want changing color, or do you want?
So here we go. That's an open source. Someone's got it already. Let me just add this to favorites. What's it called? Color moving averages can help you spot trends. Color. Oh, there we go. Found it. No, I got too many. Right, what can I get rid of?
Well, technically, you can combine all this EMA in it.
Can you?
I mean, just because there are some of the indicator can have multiple EMAs, so you can have like last time up to like 4 EMAs on a single indicator.
Okay.
Yeah, look for something called free EMA or something like that. Then you can at least combine those MA and EMAs. In this case, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think you can combine all 5 of them into one single indicators. Then you free your space a little bit.
I'll get rid of Hakanashi for the time being. What's it? I've got 3 EMAs. 3.
Yeah, and 2 MAs, and then 1 MA and 1 WMA. I think those can all be combined. I think I tried.
Well, as in you can choose like types of MA.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. Sweet. Source. Oh man, I can't remember all of this. It's just gonna take some time.
Well, you take out your Hakanashi anyway, so you can always play around now.
Exponential. Let's do weighted, I think. No, we've got is it E exponential? Yeah. And then length is 800. If it's on close. Let's just check.
Ooh, stacks on the same.
Yeah, that works because that's on top of the other moving average. Okay, so then the next one we've got, I believe it will be on close again. Oh, this is all reminding me how to set up a simple chart. Is it simple? I believe it's simple. Also 800. Use higher time frame. None. If we make this moving average black. Yeah, that's working. Let's make it bold. Sorry, thick. 100% obviously. Let's make it thicker. And we've got, what other moving averages have we got? Oh yeah, I can't remember these. 4, 13. Yeah, this will save a lot of space. Yeah. Close. 4. Close. 13. What else is there? Moving average 5. 5 will be close. Weighted 100. Style. Cool. That looks good. No overlaps. I think that's right. So slowly get rid of them one by one. So this is the 800, the black one up there, blue one up there. Oh, that one got removed, but there's no replacement. Oh, there is. It's just very, 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 very thin, which means we need a thicker line or more opaque. That's this one, I believe. Interesting. Why is it when it's crossed over, it's gone so... hold up. Oh. Cool. I don't need markers, so get rid of those. So this is actually does it already, FYI. You know when I said if it goes up and down, it goes, this one will do the colors. Sweet. All right then, so let's finish off this one. So get rid of this. Ooh. Last one. Ooh. Okay, so if I feel like we're doing school stuff again. So moving average 1, what was this? So if it's up, then we will still have blue. We'll keep this black as well. This makes life easier. This makes it difficult. Should we have it green? We'll have it blue. Purple. We need something that sticks out like a sore thumb. White. Yeah, so red. I believe red is the opposite. Blue. Yeah, let's go blue. And then we'll thicken this one out. Should have this as blue. I'm used to yellow. Yellow. And then if this goes up, it turns blue. Why is that not working? Oh, I see. This should be red, and then this should be green. And then let's make the line thick. Actually, super thick. 100%. And this one should be blue. Second, I think, is it second? No, it's third. There we go. Interesting. Thanks for that UA. That one moving average does everything. So when it's up, it goes a color. When it's down, it's another color.
Oh, we have to recap this video, put the moving average back again. A lot of them I've got already. I'll probably read the learn materials again. Ooh, that's quite nice bounce on this zone.
DAX. As soon as you say DAX, I'm like, DAX. Oh yeah, great on this resistance. Might try and get a buy today. Probably the only trade I can see. So, I mean, all the other indices, it's quite messy.
Yeah. You're saying DAX is late to EU, isn't it? Something like that.
Sorry?
You say DAX is related to EU, isn't it? The Euro USD.
Yeah.
Okay.
I normally use the other indices as well.
Okay. EU looks quite a nice trend to downside, I think.
FTSE looks really good to sell.
Just have a good candle. How can I choose? I'm just going to look at the other pairs, which is not GBP related, to see how they performed. Since GBP is a bit messy right now.
All right. I feel like I've got fresh new charts I need to get used to, even though it hasn't actually changed too much.
Well, at least you cut that half half your indicator. You can play around more stuff now.
Very true.
Yeah, I only got 5, so sometimes we remove one, put it back in again, put it at the flavor so I don't forget about it. Okay, let's see what's good around. Okay, go miss the Tokyo high, come back down again. Okay. GBP USD. Miss my saying. I wonder what we got back up again.
I'll do a market analysis in a minute. At 9 o'clock, I'll start. Right now, there's still nothing really. Morning, Abby. You don't have a microphone and stuff. You need to allow access to it. Can you guys also keep up YouTube? If you do, then there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of us if there is, which will help with the live stream. Appreciate it. To be honest, FTSE short was the best one today, but I don't really know. I can't really get like it doesn't really feel. I don't really feel confident to trade. Well, not confident. I just don't feel like there's an A+ setup. But nevertheless, we will show up, and we will show up every day. Morning, Uncle B. Let me also open this up, and then we'll do a market breakdown. Okay, we've got the Telegram conversations up as well. So if you guys want to, we can do. So let's do a breakdown. Let's do a recording so I can send to the signals as well. Right, so good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today is Monday the 26th. So we got a breakdown. Oh, this is actually a really good trade. I'm actually very tempted to take this trade. I might actually take this trade. So whilst we're on this, then we're debating about, if we look onto the left-hand side, the 2 hours FTSE is breaking lower. We've got, if we look at 4 hours, I can tell straight away this will be making a lower momentum. I don't have charts updated though to date, so I guess that's the only downfall. I'm probably going to actually remove all the drawings and start fresh. If we do 2 hours, it's also looking lower. 1 hour looking lower. 10 minutes looking lower. And 5 minutes is actually a pattern A, so it could be a trade right now. So that's what I'm actually looking at. The only thing is it going to go? Do you know what? I'll leave the recording running because I think I'm going to make a decision soon. I might actually take this. Just got the signals ready. Let me just quickly get some zones in. And then if I get a zone in, I'll be able to see. So I'm just updating the zones and I'm looking for some key areas so that as soon as I go back to my charts in a moment, I'll be able to see the key levels a bit better. Okay, so then I think it's this option here. There we go. And then obviously we need some above as well. The only thing is because DAX is pulling back and it kind of wavers my judgment a little bit. But nevertheless, the setup looks good and it is what it is. And I try not to get too discouraged and just follow the setups. So here we go. 4 hours here looks pretty good. 2 hours looks good. Or 1 hour looks good. So that's half the requirements already done. So daily all the way down. There's no news that's coming in anytime soon. Let's get the my custom statistics up, and then we can go through those as we go through this trade. Do you know what? I should probably leave a screenshot up of these, and then every single day we can talk about it. So one good trade here. So here we can look at it. We've got daily, we've got 2 hour support resistance, we've got 2 in flow, no news, first leg, support resistance. So the trade is very, very much valid. And then also 5 minutes has given us a potential entry right now. Question is it going to continue? So it looks pretty sweet. I'm going to potentially enter soon. And let me just see how much the risk to reward is. Stop loss here. Okay, looks pretty good. I'm in this trade now. Setting the signal. Looks pretty good, to be fair. Well, so actually, this is really interesting. This is actually a live recording. So here are the positions. Oh, it's not loading. Oh, it's messing up my screen. I'm not going to do that then. I'll just show you after. So this is actually a pretty cool impromptu recording. I literally just started this live recording here, and we just decided on this trade. This morning I was looking at it. It did look good, but as I was coming in and ready to focus and look at the breakdown, it made all sense. I took a moment to break down everything, and then we went through this screenshot, right, which I have here, which is the emotions that we, the confluences that we need, the entry requirements in favor, the 5 minute one, which is there as well. So the moving averages is there, crossovers are there, Everything is there. And you know what? If this hits stop loss, it is what it is because the setup is clean. I took a moment as well. I didn't rush straight into it, and the trade makes sense to me. So I'm just going to let this run and see how it goes. The next step is now to give it some room to breathe. So the best point is now is just to kind of go through the rest of the analysis, and then we'll give you an update a little bit after that. So up next we have DAX. So DAX is also pulling back. Ironically, this is pulling back to a buy point. So then this also argues, or this is against the FTSE one. This is the only thing that was stopping me from taking the trade on FTSE. But like I said, it is what it is, and it's part of it. So let's not dwell on that too much. GBP USD is a great buy again. This pulled back onto this zone for a continuation up to Tokyo high. I'm expecting a slight pullback on all of these now. Like GBP is just all-time low. So this little dotted line here was 1985's low. So basically a low of all time for GBP USD. And the fact that now this has been broken it just shows how much GBP is like done for. It's probably the lack of professional words, but it's done for, game over. But you know, even me like looking at Hong Kong dollars 8.5, I remember at a time it was like 15 and then even 12, and then average anywhere between Great British pound for $10 to $12 on average, and now it's 8.5, and Hong Kong economy is doing terrible as well. So it just shows like on the surface, GBP looks okay, but behind the scenes, it sounds very, very, very bad. And the sterling is not doing well. But on top of that, you know, DXY is doing very, very strong. And one thing that's pretty cool is I haven't actually been making as many videos live trading, right? But now I'm back live trading. We can kind of documentate this. The whole period of when I was trading in 2020 live, and also same when I was doing live trading, we were following the whole trend short. Then we said there were going to be a double bounce on this here, which I think some of you guys must remember, right? Because you've been with me for a little bit of time. And then we've had that continuation. Then as soon as I said this yellow zone was to break, we had the bullish momentum to retest this high here, which this red arrow has been done. Now, obviously, I'm not saying that we're calling a crystal ball and then it's doing this, but what I'm trying to explain is if you can kind of follow the market, you get a rough idea on how things work. You'll be able to execute your trades with more clarity and understand what your trading plan is and your strategy, because that's the biggest issue. There's like three main steps when it comes to trading. Like number one, really understanding that you have to invest in knowledge, strategy, and developing. And number two is committing and putting time towards your craft, right? Like people get life being busy. And then last but not least is just understanding that you just need to control your emotions. And these three steps will make you a profitable trader. And then you have to keep recycling these to become a better trader. And it's never ending, which is tough. It is very tough, but it's you know what? It's like still the best thing ever. I love trading, and you know, it swings and roundabouts. And I think it's the fact it brings life, right? There's no sunshine without rain. There's no happiness without sadness. There's no anger without calamity. So it's the same with trading, right? There's failures, there's winning days, there's losing days. But the fact that you can be a win over time makes trading so fun. And plus these charts are just fun to stare at. So anyway, back onto the breakdown is DXY is looking to push higher, and we retest this upper region up here, which will be the 120, but I do expect some sort of a pullback soon, a pullback potentially to 102 or at least 108 as well. So we'll have to wait and see which pullback is going to hit. That's pretty much it. Then we've got NFP next week, I believe. So if we just have a quick look at the news, if we iron out, so if you didn't know, you can use Forex Factory to check out the news. You open one date. So I only filter the orange and red news. We've got quite an interesting week this week, so quite a few bits of news. I believe FOMC here, below speaks, Church Powell, FOMC again, and then the next week's one, I believe. God, it's October already. It's crazy how time flies. October to October the 7th. Yeah, we've got NFP on the Friday. China bank holiday, so maybe less liquidity during the Asian session. Bank holiday again, bank holiday again, bank holiday again for the whole week. Non-farm payroll on Wednesday for change. So yeah, it's an eventful 2 weeks of full of news. So let's just see what's going to happen. So that's pretty much it. So don't forget to, just as a final plug, is don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're breaking out 1K. Also on our Telegram chat as well. If you want to send through charts, I will break those down on a live trading, and then our website as well for our analysis room, signals and analysis room, our courses funded and all sorts of stuff, and most importantly the resources, which is completely for free to help you guys learn and earn. Right, now back to this trade. Now we've given it some time, I can have a look and see, has anything changed? Nope. Stop loss hasn't hit, take profit hasn't hit, but it does look. And also one other thing is it's failed to bounce on Tokyo low as well, so that's another thing that's slightly against me, but is what it is. Morning, Brendan. There's loads of people in there. So what's my thoughts on the MT4 ban and impact on trading? Nothing. Like I just think the MT4 ban is banned on the App Store, and it is what it is. But I trade on the desktop anyway, so it hasn't really affected me too much. And to be honest, MT4 is outdated. I do think it's going to be replaced in the future, but for the time being, it's all okay. It's funny how people like panicked because MT4's got nothing to do with the brokerage. It's just you can't download it. And this also, if you already have the app, you can already trade. So the only person it really affects is new traders who want to download MT4. And also, if you've had it in the past, you can still download it by going on past existing purchases.
I think Android is fine as well, I heard. Just on Apple
Android's
stores.
fine as well. You can download it. It's just App Store. Actually, the politics, so whatever. Still looks good. We've got 4 minutes left before the next candle forms. If we can get a continuation. This may be my only trade today. GBP USD looks good for a buy, but I don't want to trade a buy. GPAUD is good. GB down. They all look good. DXY is dropping. Yeah, that looks very good. Very nice. Very nice. GBP USD looks good for a buy. But I'm ready in FTSE. And to be honest, that's actually a confirmation. If GBP USD pushes, FTSE drop. That's the inverse, ultimately. So come on, FTSE. Droppity bop bop bop. Droppity bop bop bop. Maybe if I keep saying it will drop because it's dropping. Droppity bop bop bop. I'll shake my head like my son does as well. Droppity bop bop bop. Droppity bop bop bop. Oh shit, I lost the plot today. Droppity bop bop bop. Come on. Sweet. Break even though. Ooh, I like that. I like that candle. I very much like that candle. Yeah, let's go. Looks like the trading room is quite fun again. Thank you guys for joining. Body bop bop bop. I think you just need to sit there at home and go body bop bop bop, and then it would drop. Then you need a new one for when it goes up. Up 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 up. Body up up up. Body drop drop drop. Body up up up. Oh dear. That's one thing that comes with trading. You lose your sanity. All right, let's go back to my journal. So I've looked at 4-hour timeframes today. I've decided on one idea, or one or two ideas, which is GU buy and FTSE sell. I'm in FTSE sell. Visualize the trade, which I did exactly that this morning. So then as soon as I pattern recognized that, it was an A+ setup. I gave it some time to breathe. Looks pretty good. And you have to be okay with losing. And fallacy reminder. Fallacy is a very important abstract when it comes to trading. You must remember me. I waited 2 trades. I visualized. Is there anything else? Let's just read this. Nothing less, nothing more. Stick to 30 days. Make millions. Mantra. That's for you, Anton. Mantra. Just keep profits, close your eyes and visualize me. So a possible sense or review. I will not act on my emotions. Fallacy, I lose 10. Fallacy 10. So accept this fate. Accept the fate of trading. Let money go. Just focus on the process. When your R is up, your pips are up, setups are up. Your money is automatically with you. Wait for the A+ setup. 2 a day. Nothing less, nothing more. Well, actually, less is okay. Literally just waiting for this now. We sit and we watch. Same thing happened. We just bounced on Tokyo low again. Failed to break. And then I'm assuming DAX bounced. Yeah, look. DAX bounced here. And DAX is pushing very nicely. That may be of what we should have taken. I'm expecting DAX to push up to 12,429. But either way, I will review this once this trade is finished. Again, what's GBP USD saying? Slight little resistance here. Come on, break Tokyo low. I'm just going to set an alert here. If it breaks Tokyo low, then I will be alerted. Yeah. If you do look at this, it does make sense if this is going to push up, because look, we've got this slight little trend line pushing up here. We've also failed to break these lows. Anyway, let's just wait. Might want to close this in a sec. Yeah, I might bring the stop loss down. Pause minus 1.7R. Yeah, damn DAX. That was the better one to watch. This buy should have been the one. Original idea. I am done for today. Rather than trying to chase anything else, I'm going to accept that and come back again tomorrow. So we can spend the rest of the session, another 25 minutes. That was the better. And honestly, I do really want to. It doesn't feel like a good trading day. Like the markets are quite messy. Having a buy on there was quite risky as well. You know, we're still on a massive sell-off. I do think a pullback is due. If this pushes up onto the upside, then maybe tomorrow buys will be even better. But yeah, DAX was better. Much really clean buy, to be honest. Had our first break onto the upside at 8, then a pullback and continuation. Let's see, just bouncing on Tokyo low and really not giving me confidence, plus indices pushing up. Journal. Yeah, that's a good thing. You put your missed trades in as well, don't you, Anton? Should probably put that in. What time would I have entered? To be honest, I wouldn't have been able to enter anyway.
Yeah, I put in my miss trades as well. Track everything.
Everything. Yeah, this you wouldn't have been able to get an entry on DAX anyway, to be honest. Maybe on this one. I have to wait for a pattern A now. Damn. That would have been a clean trade. It's me today, minus 652. There we go, GBP USD pushing now. I'm just going to wait here for the outcome. See what the market's doing. Now 9:30 is in the play. Most moves are going to happen now over the next half an hour. So it'll be interesting to see what's going to happen. Yeah, GBP USD is pushing. That's going to Whitfield. I might come to Tokyo high. Another 10 pips to go. We'll leave that now. GBP USD is definitely not a trade today. I'm just seeing if we could wait for this pattern A. If it comes back. If it leaves us, then no. Don't forget to smash that like button for us, guys. Set and forget is my new mantra. I like it. It's just like keep saying it whilst you're doing it. I'm going to forget. I'm going to set and forget. You can hit the like button, drop any comments. It'd be much appreciated. Even if you just spam it. And that helps the YouTube algorithm. I'm very much patiently waiting for this. We're at Tokyo high now. FTSE's still sitting there. Come on, pull back. Pull back, and then I'm going to be done. if this completely shoots, then we'll just and we'll enter into our journal, finish off the day, and then we have to come back again tomorrow. If it pulls back, then we get an entry. That's our last trade of the day. I might not even take this trade if it pulls back. I'm a bit very conservative today. I'm on the fence. Part of me does, part of me doesn't. Go back to this daily in 2 hours. 2 hours looks good. Daily's not really, so it's a hit and miss on that one. The second one is we've got 2 hour support resistance. Yes. No news within 20 minutes. First legs, major support. Yes. Entry, we're waiting on now. Pattern A formation as well. And the thing is, that's because there's such a bearish momentum as well. One thing I am conscious of is this could absolutely just drop, like melt. That's one thing you have to consider. Is that our entry? Ooh. Well, there's FTSE going. Right, either way, I think I'm going to let it go. Otherwise, I'm just going to sit here watching the charts all day. So I think the best thing is now is to pretty much just close off for the day. FTSE and DAX are confusing me. So best is just to let them be. Plus, I need a toilet. So tomorrow what we'll do is we'll go through, I'm going to get quite a few people to share a few charts in here, and then we'll review all the charts. If you want to go share the charts in there, go and join our Telegram, link in the description. Other than that, today we've had a loss today. We had a loss on our FTSE, which we've broken down today's trades. Expecting, another trade here, but to be honest, I didn't really wake up confident that there was going to be many setups for me to trade today, so it is what it is, but we showed up nevertheless, and then we'll be back again tomorrow to trade. Okay, so appreciate all of you guys tuning in today, and thank you for joining the stream. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and then come and tune in tomorrow with us live trading. Peace.